Am I the only one that didn't know there's a right way to rest? Turns out there is. All right, busy bees, let's dive in. Step 1, disconnect to reconnect. Put down that phone. It's a distraction factory. Instead, try a quick walk or some light stretching. Your brain will thank you. Next, switch gears. If you've been staring at a screen, do something physical. Water your plants, tidy up a bit, or even doodle. It's all about giving your mind a mini vacation. And hey, don't underestimate the power of a power nap. A 10-20-minute snooze can recharge your batteries like nothing else. But remember, keep it short to avoid that groggy feeling. Lastly, practice mindfulness. Take a few deep breaths, meditate for a few minutes, or simply sit in silence. Just a little peace can work wonders. So, next time you're on a break, make it count. Rest smart, recharge, and get back to conquering the world. You've got this.